Feeling a draft? Greetings guys and gals, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Before we start, give us a thumbs up, free subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to make sure you get all the new episodes coming your way. Today's topic is 7 easy ways to fix drafty windows. Are you tired of feeling that cold draft coming through your windows? It's like a constant reminder that winter is coming, and not the cozy kind. A drafty window not only makes your home uncomfortable but also drives up your heating bills. But don't worry, you don't have to live with those chilly drafts any longer. In this video, we'll show you 7 effective ways to fix drafty windows and keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. Let's start with one of the simplest and most affordable solutions, weather stripping. It's your first line of defense against the elements. It's an easy and low-cost DIY project that can make a big difference. Think of it as a snug winter coat for your windows, sealing those tiny gaps where cold air sneaks in. It's like giving your home a warm hug. Now you'll find weather stripping in all sorts of materials, from foam and felt to rubber and even vinyl. Each type has its unique properties. Each has its pros and cons, but they all do the same job, keeping the cold out and the warmth in. Foam is flexible, felt is easy to apply, rubber is durable, and vinyl is versatile. Before you go slapping on any old weather stripping, it's important to choose the right type for your windows. Consider the size of the gaps and the type of window. For example, foam tape is great for those smaller gaps, providing a tight seal without much effort. While thicker foam or rubber weather stripping works wonders on larger gaps or windows that get a lot of wear and tear. They are more resilient and can handle frequent opening and closing. Now to apply it, make sure your window surfaces are clean and dry. This ensures the adhesive sticks properly. You don't want any dirt or grime getting in the way of a good seal. A clean surface is crucial for the best results. Measure carefully and cut the weather stripping to fit snugly along the window sash or frame. Precision is key here. Some folks like to use a utility knife for this, but a good pair of scissors can do the trick too. Just make sure your cuts are straight and clean. Once you've got your weather stripping cut to size, peel off the backing and press it firmly into place. Take your time to ensure it's aligned properly. Run your finger along the strip to ensure good adhesion. This step is important to make sure there are no gaps left. And there you have it, a simple, cost-effective way to seal those drafty windows. Enjoy a warmer, more energy-efficient home. Now let's talk about window film, an invisible shield against drafts, and a simple yet effective solution to keep your home cozy. This product is a game changer for anyone looking to improve their home's insulation. This stuff is amazing. It's like a thin, transparent layer of magic that you apply directly to your window glass. It's almost like giving your windows a superpower. You might be thinking, how can something so thin make a difference? Well, let me tell you, it acts like an invisible shield, trapping a layer of air between the film and the glass. This air layer is what makes all the difference. This extra layer of insulation helps to prevent heat loss in the winter and keeps your home more comfortable. Imagine sitting by the window on a cold day and still feeling warm and cozy inside. Applying window film is a breeze. You don't need to be a professional to get it right. You'll need a spray bottle, a squeegee, and a little bit of patience. These simple tools are all you need to get started. First, clean your windows thoroughly, and I mean thoroughly. Any dust or smudges will show through the film. A clean surface ensures the film adheres properly. Next, cut the film to size, leaving a little extra around the edges. This extra margin will help you adjust the film perfectly. Now, here's the fun part. Spray your window with soapy water. Don't be shy, you want it nice and wet. This will help you position the film correctly. The soapy water acts as a lubricant, making it easier to slide the film into place. Carefully peel off the backing from the film and apply it to the wet window. Take your time to ensure it aligns well. Use the squeegee to smooth out any air bubbles, working from the center outward. This step is crucial for a smooth, clear finish. Once the film is applied, trim off any excess with a sharp utility knife and you're done. Make sure to be precise for a clean look. Your windows will look crystal clear, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes in terms of comfort and energy savings. Not only will your home feel warmer in the winter, but you'll also notice a reduction in your energy bills. Now, let's move on to another simple but effective solution. Draft stoppers. These handy little things sit at the bottom of your window, blocking those sneaky drafts that like to creep in under the sash. You can find them in a variety of styles, from fabric tubes filled with rice or beans to more modern-looking silicone seals. Fabric draft stoppers are a great DIY project. You can easily make your own using scraps of fabric and some filling. Plus, they add a touch of personality to your windows. Silicone draft stoppers, on the other hand, are a bit more durable and easier to clean. No matter which type you choose, installing draft stoppers is a snap. Simply place them along the bottom of your window sash, making sure they fit snugly against the windowsill. That's it. You've just stopped those pesky drafts in their tracks. Now, let's talk about caulking, sealing the deal on drafty windows. It's one of those tasks that might seem minor, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Caulking is like the unsung hero of home improvement. It doesn't get much attention, but it's vital for sealing up those cracks and gaps around your windows and preventing drafts. Without proper caulking, you could be losing a lot of heat in the winter and cool air in the summer. And let me tell you, a good caulk job can make a world of difference in terms of comfort and energy efficiency. Not only will it keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, but it can also help reduce your energy bills. First things first, you need to choose the right caulk for the job. There are many types of caulk available, so it's important to pick one that's suitable for your specific needs. For windows, you want a high-quality, weather-resistant caulk that can withstand the elements. This type of caulk is designed to handle temperature changes and exposure to moisture. Look for a caulk that's specifically labeled for windows and doors. These products are formulated to provide a durable seal that will last for years. Now, before you start caulking, it's important to clean the area thoroughly. This step is crucial because any dirt or old caulk can prevent the new caulk from adhering properly. Use a putty knife to remove any old, cracked caulk and make sure the surface is dry and free of debris. This will ensure that the new caulk bonds well and creates a tight seal. Once you're prepped and ready, load your caulk gun and cut the tip of the caulk tube at a 45-degree angle. This angle helps you apply the caulk more precisely. Now, apply the caulk in a smooth, continuous bead, pushing it into the crack or gap. Take your time to ensure that the caulk fills the entire space. Don't worry if it looks a little messy at first. You can always go back and smooth it out with a damp finger or a caulk tool. This will give you a clean, professional finish. Once the caulk is dry, you'll have a nice, weather-tight seal that will help keep your home warm and cozy. Not only will you feel more comfortable, but you'll also enjoy the benefits of lower energy costs and a more efficient home. Chapter 5. Thermal curtains, dressing your windows for warmth. Now let's add some style and warmth to those windows with thermal curtains. These aren't your average curtains, folks. They're specially designed with insulating properties to help reduce heat loss in the winter and keep your home more comfortable. Thermal curtains are usually made from heavier fabrics with a tight weave, and they often have a special lining that reflects heat back into the room. You can find them in a wide variety of colors and styles to match any decor. When it comes to hanging thermal curtains, you want to make sure they cover the entire window and extend a few inches beyond the edges. This will help to create a better seal and prevent drafts from sneaking in around the sides. You can also use a curtain rod with a curved end to help keep the curtains closer to the wall. Trust me, once you hang those thermal curtains, you'll be amazed at the difference they make. They're like a warm hug for your windows. Storm windows will add an extra layer of protection. If you're serious about keeping those drafts at bay, storm windows are the way to go. Think of them as an extra layer of armor for your windows, providing an additional barrier against the elements. Storm windows can be installed on the exterior or interior of your existing windows, and they come in a variety of materials, including glass, acrylic, and polycarbonate. They work by creating an insulating airspace between the storm window and your existing window, which helps to reduce heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Installing storm windows can be a bit more involved than some of the other solutions we've discussed, but it's a worthwhile investment that can save you money on your energy bills in the long run. If you're handy, you can tackle the installation yourself, but if you're not comfortable with DIY projects, it's best to call in a pro. Chapter 7. Replacement windows, the ultimate solution for drafty windows. Now, if your windows are really old and drafty, or if you're simply looking for the most energy-efficient option, replacement windows are the way to go. I know, it's a bigger investment, but trust me, it's one of the best things you can do for your home. Today's replacement windows are light years ahead of those old, drafty windows. They're made with advanced materials like insulated glass, low emissivity coatings, and multiple panes to maximize energy efficiency and keep your home comfortable year-round. Plus, with so many styles and materials to choose from, you're sure to find replacement windows that complement your home's architecture and enhance its curb appeal. While replacing your windows is a significant investment, it's one that will pay off for years to come in terms of energy savings, comfort, and increased home value. Stay warm and cozy. So now you have 7 effective ways to fix those drafty windows and keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. From simple and affordable solutions like weather stripping and draft stoppers, to more involved projects like storm windows and replacement windows, there's a solution for every budget and skill level. Remember, a little bit of effort can go a long way in improving your home's comfort and energy efficiency. So why wait? Tackle those drafty windows today and enjoy a cozier, more comfortable home all winter long. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and free subscribe to The Big Sweep so you never miss an episode. Leave a comment below and tell us which of these tips you plan to use for your drafty windows. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.